So good morning students, let us discuss the next exercise 1b. So here this is exercise for subtraction. First exercise we have done addition, now we will do subtraction. Subtraction is same. First question is subtract 3.4 from 5.6. So remember one thing, the right side of the from will come first. तो जब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो फ्रॉम के राइट साइड वाली टर्म पहले आती है बिकॉज क्योंकि सपोज क्वेश्चन इज सब्ट्रैक्ट 3 फ्रॉम 5 तो हम 5 से 3 माइनस करेंगे ना तो दिस टर्म विल कम फर्स्ट देन वी विल पुट माइनस देन दिस टर्म नाउ मेक द एलसीएम सेम 6 2s are 12 so 12 is the LCM how to make it 12 by multiply 2 it become 12 it become 3 9 so 10 minus 9 is 1.12 is the answer. So here both are negative, so first of all write down this number minus second number ये वाला because it is also negative, so that's why I put in bracket. When there are two minus we have to use bracket, right? So now open the bracket, minus into minus will become plus. LCM is 6. How to make it 6? By multiply 2, by multiply 3, it becomes minus 4, it becomes 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 upon 6. So there are 6 parts. Okay, you can discuss 6 part also. Subtract this from 0. 0 से माइनस करना है, so 0 minus 11.9. So we know minus into minus plus. So your answer is 0 plus 11.9 is 11.9. So answer is 11.9. Understood? So rest of the part you can try it yourself. Okay. Here it is second question. We have to verify that x minus y is a rational number when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 upon 7. So x minus y will be equal to 1 minus 5 upon 7. 1 कुछ नहीं है, so put 1 at denominator also. The LCM of 1 and 7 is no doubt 7. So make it 7 by multiply 7. It is already 7, no need. So 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 7. This is the answer. So your question is verify that x minus y is a rational number. Rational number, remember, is that number which is in the form of numerator and denominator. 2 upon 7 is in the form of numerator and denominator is not equal to 0. So hence verify हो गया कि x therefore 2 upon 7 is also a rational number. We know, so therefore x minus 5 is a rational number. Okay. Second part you can try it yourself. Okay. Third question is solve this. The sum of two number. First part है the sum of two rational number is minus 5. ये फर्स्ट नंबर है, ये सेकंड नंबर है. इन दोनों का प्लस इज इक्वल टू minus 5. ये क्वेश्चन है. If one of the number is minus 11.6, अगर उनमें से एक नंबर 11.6 है तो सेकंड क्या होगा ये फाइंड करना है. अंडरस्टूड माय पॉइंट? देखो कितना इजी क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड करो स्टेटमेंट, उसकी स्टेटमेंट बनाओ ऐसे फिगर में कि दो नंबरों का टोटल इतना है, उनमें से एक नंबर इतना है तो दूसरा क्या होगा, तो ये फाइंड करना है. तो ये फाइंड करना है तो वैल्यू टेक दिस नंबर ऑफ इक्वल टू के जब उधर जाएगा तो इट विल बी, तो इसका क्या होगा साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, इट विल बिकम प्लस 11.6. मतलब वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस थिंग. कुछ नहीं है तो 1. LCM is 6. How to make it 6? By multiplying 6. It becomes minus 30 plus 11. 1 is subtract, 1 is positive. So 1 is negative, 1 is positive. We will do minus. So 30 minus 11 is 19. Larger is negative. So 19 upon 6. So 19 upon 6 is the answer of this question. Okay. So at the last we will write, we will add minus 19 upon 6 in minus 11 upon 6 to get minus 5. Okay. So this is the answer. So second part है, what should be subtracted from minus 3.4? minus 3.4 में से क्या subtract करें to get me is equal to get 5 upon 6. Question क्या है? What number should be subtract from minus 3.4 to get 5 upon 6? Okay. So now how to do this question? We have to find this. So how you will find the value of x. So x is negative. इसमें x क्या है? Negative है. No problem. Take x on that side to make it positive. x उधर चला गया. पॉजिटिव हो गया. Now हमने x फाइंड करना है, इसको यहीं पे रहने दो. Take 5.6 on this side. It will become minus because यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो प्लस है. उधर x प्लस ही है. Okay. So now you have to solve this. This calculation you can try to yourself and find the value of x. In the same way, the third part of this question is subtract the sum of 1 upon 2, 1.3, 1.5 from the sum of this and this. तो from वाले का पहले लिखेंगे 3.2 plus 1.2 plus 1. इसमें से क्या माइनस करना है? माइनस 1.2 plus 1.3 plus 1.5. ये करना है माइनस. तो simply add these two terms. It will become take the LCM. LCM is 2. 3 plus 1 plus 2 minus LCM of 5 2 3 5 का LCM 5 2 is 10. लार्जर क्या है 5, तो 5 2 is 10. 10 पे 3 नहीं जाता. 5 3 is 15. 2 नहीं जाता. 5 4 is 20. 20 पे तीनों जा रहे हैं तो 20 is the LCM. इसको 20 बना लो, ये 10 बन गया. इसको सॉरी 20 पे 3 नहीं जा रहा, सो LCM आएगा 30. ठीक है. इसको LCM 30 बनाओ, इसको लिखो 15. ये LCM 30 बनाओ, ये आ गया 10. इसको LCM 30 बनाओ, ये आ गया 6. तो 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 upon 2 minus 25 plus 1 31 upon 30. Now do this. Make it LCM of 30 and 2 is 30. How to make it 30? By multiplying 15. It becomes 90 upon 30 minus 31 upon 30. So 90 minus 31 is 90 minus 30 is 60. So 59 upon 30 answer आ गया. Convert it to mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. So let's do the fourth question now. So fourth question, first part is simplifying it. We have to take LCM. LCM of 18, 24 and 12. Larger one is 24. 24 into 2, 48. 48 पे 12 तो जाता है but 18 is not going. So 24 into 3 is 72. 72 पे 18 भी जा रहा है and 12 भी जा रहा है. So 72 is the LCM. So LCM of 24, 18, 12 is 72. How to make it 72? By multiplying by multiply it 4. How to make it by multiply 3? How to make it 72 by multiply 6? So now write down the answer. Sign will remain the same. 5 into 4, 20, 72, minus again 21 upon 72 plus 30 upon 72, because they are multiplying each other. Now minus 20 minus 21 plus 30 upon 22 is it is a 41, minus 41 plus 30 upon 72, it is minus 11 upon 72 is the answer, right? So in the same way you can solve other two parts by yourself. I will tell you one thing only in this, that when there are two negatives like this, they will multiply each other and will become plus. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Now take the LCM and find the answer of this with the same process, right? Now let us discuss the next question, statement 1. So next fifth question is your statement sum. A shopkeeper had a ball of jute string measuring 15 meter. So total length of the jute string is 15 meter. He sold 2 1/4 meter to the first customer and 3 1/2 meter to the second customer. So what length of jute string is left? Kitni right? So we will understand with the help of diagram. So total is 15 meter, right? उसमें से 2 1/4 फर्स्ट कस्टमर को सोल्ड होगी, बाकी 3 1/2 सेकंड कस्टमर को सोल्ड होगी, तो कितनी रह गई? यही है ना क्वेश्चन. सो हाउ यू विल डू? सिंपल, इफ यू विल ऐड these all, it will be equal to 15. So it means according to your question, 2 1/4 plus 3 1/2 plus whatever the thing is left, which is let it be x. Total will be equal to 15. We have to find the value of x. So first of all we will solve this. 8, it is 9 upon 4, it is 7 upon 2 plus x is equal to 15. Now make it 4 by multiplying 2, it will become 9 upon 4 plus 14 upon 4 plus x is equal to 15. So how to make it? How to solve? So 9 upon 4 plus 9 plus 14 हो गया 23 upon 4 plus x is equal to 15. We have to find the value of x. So let it be on this side. उस साइड क्या आ जाएगा? 15 minus 23 upon 4. Now again it is a question of subtraction. Make the LCM. How to make it 4? By multiplying 4, because denominator is 4 now. So 15 4 is 60 upon 4 minus 23 upon 4. 60 को minus कर दो 23 में से. 60 minus 23 is so 10, 7 and 3. So 37 upon 4 meter is left. 37 upon 4 is the mixed fraction. So what you will do? Convert it to mixed. Sorry, 37 upon 4 is the improper fraction. Convert it to mixed fraction, right? So mixed fraction में convert करोगे, you will get an answer. Answer is 9 upon 4. So this much of length is left when he sold this thing. Okay, so let us discuss the next question. So last question is sixth question. A family bought 5 liters of cooking oil on the first day. So the quantity of cooking oil on the first day is 5 liters, and 1 1.4 liter oil was left over at the end of month. So end of the month they have this much of oil. So what is the total consumption during the month? कंजम्पशन कितनी होगी तेल की, स्टार्टिंग में कितना है, कितना रह गया एंड में, तो कितनी कंजम्पशन हो गई. व्हाट यू विल डू? यस, वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. 5 minus 1 1 4, टोटल है 5, 5 में से इतना रह गया तो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉल्व इट. 5 minus 5 को 5 पर 1 लिख लो इसको, इस फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्टिंग सिंपल फ्रैक्शन. 4 1 का 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. मेक द एलसीएम, मेक द डिनोमिनेटर 4. ऐसे आएगा 1 multiply 4, it will become 20 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4 which is equal to 15 upon 4. Convert into mixed fraction, so it will 3 upon 4 which is liter. So this much of liter oil has been consumed during that month. So this is your second exercise. Thank you everyone.